Hello, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today I'm going to show you how to take care of these. So if you are anything like me, you go to the grocery store and they give you shopping bags, or you purchase shopping bags and they pile up. And eventually your cabinets become a place where, if you see in here, I have them shoved in here. I have them all over the place. They're all down in here. And I want to get them put away. I had found a way to clear them all out and make them very usable. I use them for all kinds of things, but when I'm trying to collect them all, get them all into one place, I start realizing I need to go ahead and get those bags taken care of. And I have a special way that I like to do it. It makes it very convenient for the car. It makes it very convenient for the house, for the laundry bin. It also makes it really nice for my cleaning caddy. I can keep it in my cleaning caddy as well. And they just work great. You don't have to worry about having them all over the place. You know, if you want some in the bathroom or whatnot, you have them in your cabinet and they're like piled up in there. So I'm going to show you a way that you can fold these and get extended use out of them and get them all out of that cabinet or out of that box or out of that bag or wherever they are. So we're gonna do that right now.
Okay, so starting off with a neatly folded bag, you're going to flip the handles outward and start rolling. When you get a couple inches from the bottom, you're going to add another bag. Now the handles are going to overlap the bottom of this and make sure it's lined up well at the bottom and continue rolling. Every once in a while you will have to make sure the air is out of the bag because otherwise you will end up with a lot of bubbles in there, and that's something you don't want. So as you're going, make sure you're squeezing and letting the air out, and just continue on until your bags are completely done. Once you're done rolling it, you'll want to fasten it with some kind of elastic, and you're ready to go and use them. They work great in the car. They work wonderfully in my cleaning caddy. You can also use these wipes containers and repurpose them for a shopping bag holder.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, I hope you will hit that red subscribe button down below and become part of our YouTube family. I hope that those of you who have watched this video will comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's a great idea? I find that doing my plastic shopping bags this way saves on so much space. I don't have to worry about them falling out of the cabinet when I open it or have a huge bag full of them. So I just find they save so much space. I can have them in more places in my house. So I will catch you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.